Today's goal is to get out of Spokane, aka the North Pole. Check out what the outside world looks like today. Oh man. Baby, are you ready?
I am ready to be back on the road. So ready to be back on the road.
In this video, we're going to be trying to accomplish a few different objectives. Our first objective is to move all of this into the van. Let's go. It is insanely snowy today. It's probably not the complete smartest idea to leave today, but we scheduled a meetup and we don't want to cancel it because I don't want people like showing up who didn't get the memo that it's not happening. So we're still trying to make it to Seattle in time, and we have less than 24 hours to do so.
Have some horrible news. On my very last trip, I got overconfident and I carried a lot of things. Well, one poor pair of socks has taken the fall for them all. Oh, look at those poor babies. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at all this snow, guys.
Objective number 2, transport all of our regular tires with us to Texas so we can get our snow tires off when we get there. We have to somehow fit those huge things.
Of course, Megan, usual trooper, is doing her thing. She's helping us out. This is the garage space. As you can see, it's mostly taken up by bikes. Here's what we got. Unfortunately, those bikes are retired from the back. Nice job. Check for thing number 2.
Woo! It is now, let's see, 7 hours later than we originally wanted to leave. Objective number 3 is to get out of this driveway.
There's a true American hero right there. Chadney Stewart. And we are off. Man, look at this. Is this a lot of snow?
It's a lot of snow.
Okay, I finally know what a lot of snow is. If anyone comes to the Seattle gathering or meetup, I sure hope somebody comes, because if we show up and no one's there and we drove through this, I'm mad. Also, notice that your friendly neighborhood minimum millennials have now improved their safety and have no cracks in their windshield. Yay! And have some little mirrors to actually see our blind spot. We're not risking the death of the people on the road with us every time we drive. Not only do we have snow all over here, it looks like a sheet of ice. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it
literally looks like ice. I would be lying to you if I said I wasn't nervous.
Just lie to me. Say you're not nervous.
I'm not nervous.
Okay, thank God.
Baby.
And we're on the freeway. We are headed to Seattle.
Objective number 4. Accomplished.
Accomplished, guys.
Did you feel that road? That road was like
we were literally driving on like
ice.
I know, it was like literally an ice road. Whoa, did you see that?
Oh yeah.
Something is spraying up ice from the other side of the road. Objective number 6 is to get to Ellensburg. That is our greatest objective.
I don't know. I think objective number 7, getting over the Snoqualmie Pass, is going to be interesting tomorrow.
Don't hit me with those objectives yet. Final objective of the day, get to Ellensburg. We'll see how we do with it.
So we made it to Ellensburg last night. Wow, it's ice everywhere. I heard it last night. It was like freezing rain. As you can see, our entire windshield is covered in ice, so guess who gets to go scrape that off? This girl. Objective number 7 is to get through the Snoqualmie Pass. If you take a look, that's the road. And I don't know if you can tell on camera, but that's pretty much just ice. It's making me slightly nervous for this pass to get over. Fingers crossed we get through. We're about 2 hours from our meetup location. Let's go. Good morning to my baby.
Good morning to me. I'm awake, I'm feeling great. I slept through the pass, and we are 45 miles from Seattle, babe.
Yeah!
This is one of the crazy things about Washington to me. 5 minutes ago, it felt like we were like, Gandalf was beside us when we were passing the pass and stuff. There's snow everywhere, crazy Lord of the Rings. And then we hit this. Once you hit the west side of the state. Bye bye snow. Hello rain. Hey Seattle.
Look, there's no snow and it's 46 degrees.
Yeah.
I feel like we're in the tropical island right now. All we have left now is to meet people.
And that is a challenge in and of itself.
Is it really?
Social skills. Challenge number final, have social skills. So you guys will be able to tell us if we defeat that challenge or not.
Hello everyone.
We made it successfully. We didn't die in the past.
We have some friends. You guys want to introduce yourselves? Who's this guy?
I will say Theodore, we rolled up in a parking lot this morning and Theodore comes up and like steps out of his van and his turban and has like the decked out van, and so we knew we'd be friends with him even if he didn't know who we were.
Yeah. These peeps. There we go. Hello.
Fran. And we are Anthony Bourdain. We're in the process of building our van right now.
Hey everybody, we are at our meetup in Seattle and we're checking out some vans. This is Anthony Bourdain.
Woo!
This girl's van and that guy's van. If you guys want to see a dope build out in process, go check them out. This is Theodore's van. Does your van have a name?
Linus.
Linus. Nice to meet you, Linus.
This is the OG. This is how people like used to van life and how they really do it. Like before we all sissied it up and started building these elaborate things.
I want to
Exactly.
I just love that like you've brought a bit of like nerd life into
I know.
the Corvo mask, the Dishonored, like the nerd part of me.
That is
just so happy to see like, oh my god, you can still bring the things you love along.
Thank you for watching all the way through. As you can see, we have successfully made it safely and alive to Seattle. We did find friends. We found Seattle friends. Here they are. And we've been having a very nice time here, showing off some vans. So guys, thanks for sticking with us. We're blessing our stars that we're out of the snow now and finally in the moist, disgusting weather of Seattle. So.
Can't wait to bring you guys with us on our epic road trip down to Texas.
I'll talk to you soon.
Bye!
Bye!